What I've got here is one of my green frames. It's a drone frame that I pulled out of a colony. And what I want to do is uncap some of these cells and just see what I have for mites. Now there's 6, 12, 18, 20, there's probably at least 25 drone larvae here. And yeah, there's a mite there. I don't know if it'll show up on the camera. So there's one mite. One is not bad. I mean, for pulling up that much. A little breezy out today. Again, I'm seeing one mite there. So I am seeing mites, which, it's almost impossible to not have mites anymore these days. But what I'm not seeing is a huge infestation of mites. So that's a good thing. But either way, this frame is going to get frozen. And then I will make sure to kill all of the mites and any eggs that might be in here. And again, I've had some of these where I uncap it and you just see mites everywhere, but I'm not seeing a lot of mites here. So